What's up, Kid Too Technical? I'm back again with another video. Today, as you can see, I have a product sitting in front of me. This is from Ghostek. They are sponsoring this current video, so they sent me out their Ghostek Shades sunglasses. These have Bluetooth capability, and somewhere in the description, I will have a link to their website and also my code, because whatever you purchase from them, I'll get a little commission off of it. So let's get right into the video. So as you can see, this is what the box looks like. It shows you the shade sunglasses, as you can see here. Then at the bottom here, it just says Ghostek, as you can see. And then it shows a person with the sunglasses on their face. So real quick, I'm just going to do an unboxing, and then I'll do what they look like on my face. But this is a nice box. It has magnets at the top. This may be a box that you want to keep around for a while, but in the box you do get a nice carrying case for your sunglasses. It's pretty rugged. So now I'm gonna just put the box over here in view. So now let's see what we get in the inside of the packaging. So first, I'm greeted with the lovely sunglasses. As you can see there, this is what they look like. And I do know that the frame is interchangeable. So if you do not like the blue framing, you can probably go get you an all black frame. And there you have your nose piece. And then on this side, this is where the action happens. This is where your speakers are for your music to come out of. And as you can see, it already said, once you open these, it does say that the speakers, the sunglasses were open, letting you know that they are ready to be paired with your device. But before we do that, you get a card from Ghostek, just telling you where you can follow them at. They are on TikTok and Instagram, hashtag Ghostek. And then you also get a thank you. It says thank you and 1,000 more times thank you. So that is a nice touch. And they send you another card here. So that is nice to have. I'll just put that right there for now. You also get your charging cable. So this kind of sucks that it is not USB-C, but it has these little prongs. So that way you can pick up your device and plug them up like this. This is how you would charge your sunglasses, because they are because they do have Bluetooth capability. And that's really weird, because I've never had sunglasses that actually can pair to a device and play music. So this will be different for me to get used to, but I should get used to it. You also get 2 more different nose tips if you need them. And then you get a cleaning caulk. Like I said, it says Ghostek. So you want to use this to keep your frames clean, so on and so on. But pretty much that is what is in your carrying case. Now we're going to try them on my face, and I'll show you how to get them connected. Okay, so now I'm going to currently put the shades on my face. Let me take my glasses off. That's another downfall. If you're wearing glasses and you want to do sunglasses, you're going to have to currently take off your glasses. But this is what I will look like with the shades on. These really do look nice. I do like how they look. They really look cool and sleek and very, very, very nice. I may need to change the nose piece, but I'll do that a little later. So once that is good to go, now I'm going to pick up my device and I'm going to get this paired up, and I'm going to listen to some music, and I'm going to let you know my thoughts on how I think they sound. So pretty much all you want to do is just go to your settings app. I'm using my Z Fold 3 right now. It works good with Android devices, I've heard. So all I'm going to do is just go to my settings app. Then I'm going to go to my connections. Then I just want to go to Bluetooth. And once that is toggled on, I want to go to pairing a new device. So pretty much I didn't even have to push a button to pair. They showed up right there as my shades. So I'm going to just hit connect. And then I'm going to just hit pair. Right now they are pairing. And once they pair, they say shades are connected. And that is nice too. So you'll know that the shades are actually connected. And if you click on the settings menu by the shades, it'll just say that you can do phone calls and you can do audio. And down here at the bottom, you can rename them. You can do you can disconnect them or you can unpair them. So now that that's all hooked up, I'm going to take it over to something on YouTube so I can hear what they sound like. And so pretty much you can listen to your music and you can make phone calls with these shades. And this is very cool because if you're the type of person that do not like to rock wireless earbuds and it's a hot sunny day, these will work perfectly because they're connected right here. The sound is coming out right here and they're on your face. So this is really, really, really a cool little feature that Ghostek came up with. Like I said, I've never seen or had anything like it. So pretty much I'm just going to play a video. And just like that, they are currently playing. I'm going to take them off my face and let you hear what they sound like. Let me know if you can hear that. I put it by my mic. To me, they do sound good, you know. They sound good for what they are supposed to be and for what they are supposed to do. Now I'm going to go listen to some music real quick just to test out and see how some music sounds on this device. So I'm going to take it over to Pandora, but I will not let you hear this because I don't want any copyright strikes. But I'm listening to a song right now. Oh yeah, I like these. I really like these a lot. These are very, very nice. Oh yeah, this is so cool because you can be out and about doing what you have to do. People will think you have on regular shades, but you really don't. You have on shades with a Bluetooth speaker in there, with the speakers in there. And like I said, you can also make a phone call. So let me make a phone, know how I sound. Can you hear me? Do I sound good? Do I sound good? Like I'm making a phone call from a phone. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. Okay, so phone calls do sound good, you know. I tested that out just a minute ago. Overall, I would say you should go pick up these shade sunglasses if you're in that kind of thing. If you're a person that's just out there and you rock sunglasses in the summertime, heck, maybe you even rock sunglasses in the wintertime. Who knows? These are pretty cool. They're pretty dope because they have sound coming out of these sides here. Your speakers are right here. As you can see, those are your speakers. And then on this side, it does say Ghostek. Overall, I am a fan of these. I can see myself rocking these, but the only downfall is I wear glasses, so I would have to take my glasses off to even use these. But right now, I'm just going to go pull up their website and show you how much these cost. And like I said, I will put their website in the description and leave my code because like I did say, if you buy something by clicking off of this on that code on this video, I do get a small commission. So that'll help the channel out. That will help me get more things to review, you know, so on and so on. But pretty much, let me go to Ghostek. And I'm going to show you how much they cost and where you can pick them up from. So right now, this is their website. This is the Ghostek website. Yes, they sell cases, but they also sell these shades. And I had no idea that Ghostek sold Bluetooth shades. I thought they were just strictly a case company, but you learn something new every day. So pretty much I'm just going to put in gear. So when you go to their website, all you want to do is go to audio. No way you can see that. You want to go to audio. Once you're in audio, you want to go to gear, and then you'll see audio shades, because these are shades. And the pair that I have are the audio sunglasses, smart wireless open ear headphone shades. These currently cost $99.98. That is a good price for something like this. It actually is. You can get these in, this is the black, so it comes with the black black band around your ear, and then the blue tinted shade part. But like I said, these are interchangeable. So if you do not like rocking the blue, you can go get them and you can rock them with black, probably black on black, and that'll probably really look dope. But pretty much they're, yes, and they are interchangeable lenses, like I said. And just to back me up to say that I know what I'm talking about, there it goes right there. They have IPX5 water resistant, and then you get up to 5.5 hours of music playtime. That is not bad at all. So pretty much if you like this video, just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.